Oga, do this thing fast. I tell you say we wan go meeting.
My brother, no worry, I dey come. I go do your motor finish. Na me dey do all the big men motor for this country. From Lagos to Asaba, from Asaba to Warri stroke Benin. Even yesterday, na me do Makadenuga motor before I fly go UK. Go do meeting with them.
Why you go dey waste time for this one? I tell you say we wan go meeting.
I no vex, no worry, I dey call. You know say this motor work. They no dey do am like Chris Percy. Make I no go cut a conserver. Oga, see am. After I don shake the motor, see wetin spoil for inside. Na the carburetor be this. Na the brain bulbs be this. See wetin I tell lose am. So na small problem. After I don wash the brain bulbs of the motor, we go call use oil wash am. After the oil, then we use fuel wash am join. But one more thing, transport money na 25,000.
25,000 for transport care.
Na Ikorodu here now dey go be far well.
Ikorodu na 250 na.
Fuel don cost. You know say the country. You don't
Oga, you go kill me with this your workmanship.
Na me dey do the Dangote motor, not be today. I'm a big mechanic. No look me down.